Good morning, everyone. I hope everybody's doing okay. I just wanted to take a second to walk you through what you should be doing today. So if you go to your Canvas page, this is what will pop up, obviously, as your home page. But go ahead and click on Announcements. And then today we are on Flexible Learning Day 1. Today's the 19th. So go ahead and take a second to read through that message. So we're going to start a new unit today. We're going to start off with vocabulary like we usually do. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the home page here, and then you are going to click on the evolution vocabulary. One second. Okay, here we are. So you'll click on that vocabulary assignment. These are the words you need to define. And so you are going to create a Quizlet study set. So you'll just create a new tab and go to Quizlet. You can just type Quizlet right into Google. It'll pop up. I'm sure most of you have used Quizlet before. So you'll want to log in. I would just go ahead and log in with Google and use your school address. Okay, so you will go ahead and hit create. Okay, so this will be evolution, and you can scroll down here and just start typing in the terms. So you'll have to click back and forth between the tabs. So adaptation is your first word. You can just copy and paste that, and then find the definition online. Okay, so once you're done, it will have a box that pops up where you can copy and paste the link, or you can just copy and paste it from up here by hitting Command C. You'll go back to your evolution assignment on Canvas, and for you guys, since I'm in teacher view here, it's not going to show me, but you'll have a submission box that pops up. You'll just click that submission box, copy and paste the link into there, and then I'll be able to see it. And that's all I want you to do for today. Okay, so nothing too strenuous. Don't forget to be completing your learning log. So that's posted right at the top here. What I want you to do is open it up, make a copy. So click make a copy. You'll change original to your last name, and then you'll reshare it with me so that I can have access to it, and you'll just type in exactly what you're working on for each day. Okay, so hopefully you stay with me. So today you would just type in that you worked on your evolution vocabulary. All right, guys, that's it for today. I will post a new announcement tomorrow telling you what you need to do, and then we'll just take it day by day. Hope everybody's doing okay. Bye.